Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on fixing Wi-Fi issues with the Conga 5090. If you're experiencing connectivity problems, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to diagnose and resolve these issues effectively. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft cloth. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Conga 5090 safely. Begin by turning off your device and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Once it's powered down, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the clips holding it in place. Once the cover is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Here, you should look for the Wi-Fi module, which is typically located near the top of the device. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This can often interfere with the device's performance. Remember, a clean device is a happy device. Next, check the connections of the Wi-Fi module. Ensure that all cables are securely attached. If you notice any loose connections, gently reattach them. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. After checking the connections, inspect the antenna. Sometimes the antenna can become dislodged or damaged. If it appears to be in poor condition, consider replacing it. This is a straightforward process, and you can find replacement antennas online or at your local electronics store. Once you've completed these checks, it's time to reassemble your Conga 5090. Carefully place the back cover on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. Now, plug your device back in and power it on. Check the Wi-Fi connectivity by connecting to your home network. If the issue persists, it may be time to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any underlying problems that may not be visible during your inspection. Finally, if you need assistance, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service to get your Conga 5090 back in action. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has helped you troubleshoot your Wi-Fi issues effectively. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.